Today I have a sign saying, take this water balloon and throw it at the guy over there in the hat, get 20 bucks. Steven's standing over there with the money. Let's see who does it.
Sounds pretty easy. Joey and Steven back at it from the Are You Kidding channel.
I love these. They're so much fun. Where's the guy in the hat?
Well, this girl asks too many questions. She loses her opportunity. This guy's like, yeah, I'll take that balloon and figure the rest out as I walk around campus.
Right, I'm so really sorry about this.
Was that the task?
Oh. You didn't have to cut
that
so hard.
Yeah.
Throw it at the guy in the hat over there. What hat?
Don't hit the wrong guy.
Here's your money.
This guy, though, this guy takes it.
I mean, I do see a guy in a hat, but I think that's the wrong dude.
They're very intrigued by this experiment.
Oh my God!
You blew it!
Go get it, Matt. Go get it. Go get it.
Go get another balloon. He drops his phone along the way. This is turning into a calamity now. As his buddy gets back to get another balloon, oh, sorry. We've got another contestant. This is all falling apart so fast.
He missed. It's like an Amazing Race sort of moment.
Right. This next cat gets the 20 bucks. Oh, what have I done? Worst day ever.
No. Dude.
You might be on TikTok, so cool.
I'm gonna get embarrassed, but yeah, you know what, I'm down.
Oh. Yeah.
You gave us the best footage of the whole thing.
Yeah, he knows it too. He realizes he's going to be embarrassed on social media, but it was worth 20 bucks.
Oh my.